I made it to my homestay here in Ninh Binh, and this is very nice. And over here, bathroom. Very nice. It's about 2 o'clock and I was picked up at Bai at 8:30. So that's 5.5 hours including the ferry ride. Yeah, now I just need to unpack a little bit and then go explore this place. The lady that owns the homestay is so nice. And the hotel or homestay is really nice, and she offers free bicycle, which is what I'm doing now. A lot of the sites here in Ninh Binh you can do on a tour, but you can also do them yourself, which is what I'm gonna do. Right now, from Lily's recommendation, I'm staying at the Lily homestay. So yeah, now I'm just making my way. It's about 800 meters, and the traffic is so much easier than Hanoi. Let's go do a boat tour. Yeah. Very fast. I mean, I arrived in this town 25 minutes ago and already I'm doing a boat tour. I love it. I am on my way to the Bai Dinh Pagoda, and it is scorching hot with almost 35 degrees. But yeah, it's really nice. Traffic is non-existent, so I'm just enjoying it, taking my time. I mean, how gorgeous and amazing is this? I don't understand why this is not the most popular tourist attraction in the world. I am blown away by the beauty. It is like a movie set. It is so stunning everywhere you look. I've been riding my bike for over an hour. No idea when I'll get there. Yeah, I mean, my trusted bike. Yeah, I probably wouldn't make it in Tour de France, but hey, it's working. I'm getting a workout. Win, win, win. And I see where I'm supposed to go, the Bai Dinh Pagoda. I opted not to go in to see the area where the pagoda is. I know that may seem odd because I rode my bike all the way out here, but it was honestly more about the bike ride and the scenery. And hey, I saw the pagoda and that's good enough for me. Now it's time to head on back and go to another attraction. It is called the Mua Caves, but I think the main attraction is to go up and see the dragon. which is on top of the mountain. So there are 500 steps up there, and of course I need to get down to another 500. So it's quite a workout day, but I'm excited. This is the main attraction for me here in Ninh Binh, so I'm excited to go see it. Everyone is struggling and sweating, and I'm no different. Can't wait to get some water and a soda to cool me down. I think that's enough for today. Now it's back to my hotel and relax in the air condition. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. I'm on my way out to a bird park, and the reason why I'm up so early and I'm really tired from yesterday is that apparently the birds are most active in the morning. So yeah, it is a gorgeous morning here. So I'm just making my way. It's only, well, I mean, I was wrong yesterday. I thought it was like an hour and took 2, so we'll see. I made it to the bird sanctuary. It is very pretty here, very serene, very quiet. I hear a few birds. I haven't actually seen anyone yet. But let's keep going and hopefully see some wildlife. I think I've missed a turn maybe, I don't know. But yeah, I didn't see any birds. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't see any birds. Yes, I think I'm just gonna head back into town and get some breakfast. Ninh Binh has been mind-blowing. The nature, the landscape, I mean, there are no words. Tonight I'm taking the sleeper bus down to Hue. It's about a 12-hour bus ride. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And then hopefully I'll see you in Hue. Bye.